Hello friends, today's in this session we will learn the thread tab command. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, open the CATIA software and create a like this part in part design. Okay, because of threads are created on cylindrical part. Okay, that's why I am selecting creating cylindrical part. Okay, now we will see the thread tab command. This is a thread tab command. Select it here. The thread and tab definition dialog box is open. Okay, now this is a thread and this is a geometrical definition, this is a numerical definitions. Okay, here type, in this type metric thin pitch, metric thick pitch, and no standard. This is a thread diameter. Okay, this is a depth of the threads, and this is a pitch. Thread type, right hand thread and left hand thread. Okay, now we'll see this is a lateral face. Okay, and this is a limit face. Okay, now we will decrease, sorry, now enter here I want created around the lateral face the threads. Okay, now here increase the length depth of the thread. Okay, increase the pitch of the thread and create preview. Okay, see, this is a in red lines the threads are created. Okay, and click on OK. See, this here the threads are not created, but in part body the threads is created. Okay, after selecting this, like this. Okay, now we will see remove face command. Okay, first of all click on start, select mechanical design, select part design, and in part design we will create a simple part. Okay, select XY plane and click on sketch command, and we will enter in here. This is a sketcher workbench. Okay, select a rectangle and create a simple rectangle. Click on exit workbench and here create a pad. Okay, of 20 mm. Okay, now on this face we will create a some cavity. Okay, that's why I am creating this rectangle at here and click on exit workbench and use pocket command, and depth is 10 mm. Okay, see, you can create like this part in part design workbench. Okay, now this is a remove face command and this is a replace face. Okay, now I will take it here. Now select a remove face command. Click here, the remove face definition dialog box is open. This is a remove faces to remove and this is a faces to keep. Select a faces to remove. I want to remove this face, this face, this face, and this face also. Okay, and select faces to keep. I want keep this face and this face. Okay, now click on show all faces to remove. Okay, and click OK. See, here the cavity is removed and the surface is created as a plain surface. Okay, like this the remove faces command is used.